for another episode of Seeing Red. My name is Simon the Writer. I'm here with
Lex.
And that makes me Rachid Parchment.
Simple as that. No, it was a victorious weekend, I would say. Everybody win. Chelsea win, United win, Arsenal win, Liverpool win. So that's the show, guys. Alright, subscribe. I mean, what else is there to say, really?
Yeah.
Alright, but I mean, victories. So let's just go around the table. Pierce, you win. Morata with the hat trick.
Yes. You don't know, Man City.
So wait a second, and Diego Costa confirmed to have set his move to Atletico, which I think is going to happen in January. Is that the case?
Yeah, something like that.
Well, alright, so that means he won't be appearing in anything this year. What does it mean that?
I have something for the podcast.
Alright. Don't forget, podcast, 3 reds and a blue. We'll go more into that.
Alright, so let's just, we can start off with my game because it
Simple as
wasn't anything really exciting.
It never usually is though, but
No, Man U sometimes, the way you talk, what? I'm not even going to I can't sit on there and
realize
like, what are you talking about? Nah, but seriously, the only good thing that I can really feel about the game is really that Lukaku is doing what he's supposed to do. So, looking at the game, like, this is a game that we would have
not get injured.
Yeah, right. We would have drew this game last season. That is how I feel. Like, it would have been one of those games where it's like it would have been frustrating and would have just drawn. So having Lukaku there and doing his job, great. We clearly missed Pogba. I can kind of tell that Pogba gets us up the field in this fashion.
Where was Pogba?
That is like, just come on. About to come back from injury.
About to come back
from injury. That's
were there reports that he might be out for months?
No, rumors.
Okay, right, cool,
rumors. I have never seen anything like that. We don't entertain things like that. That didn't come up on my feed.
12 weeks.
Is it
12 weeks. And it's been like 2 already.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you don't know. We're still up at the top of the table.
I will say Lukaku doing his job is important, but something that you did bring up once, I think, is the fact that, or has been brought up before, is the fact that Lukaku might not be a big game player. How do you feel about that? Do you think this form will go into the Arsenal matches, the Chelsea matches, the Liverpool matches?
Well, I hope it
matches?
will. I hope it will. That's obviously, it's important. Like, you'd want him to continue a certain kind of form, at least scoring goals, even if it's in an ugly game. But bigger than that is, like, I think that since he's been at Man U, the confidence that is being inspired on the pitch by him having a certain performances and the relationships that he's building, I think that will hopefully carry through into these big games and he'll be able to stay.
Well, we'll see. I mean, at the end of the day, we know he's a top scorer, a top quality scorer. It's just, is he that championship winning type of striker? Because he's done it at Everton, he's done it at West Brom. He hasn't been anywhere else other than that, right? Just Everton, West Brom,
and Chelsea, right?
And Chelsea, but he didn't do much at Chelsea. He kept getting loaned out. So whether or not he will do it here, we'll see. As long as he stays healthy.
Right, you see the hate though. I mean,
that's not hate. That's like we're picking up the ball
all around the board.
But kudos, another win.
We'll take it.
We'll take it. All right.
So the next game,
you guys.
All right, my game. Liverpool 3, Leicester City 2 deuce. Now, Jesus, thank you for winning a game, Liverpool. Like, god damn it. You understand?
Well, they saved it up because in the days before, so I guess another that keep the one back for the more important tournament.
But no, alright.
Again,
Again, broken record time, and I want to say something different, but it's just team selection, subs, questionable at times. And then, so for example, alright, so I keep hearing a lot of people, like in fact, some of the comments on our videos were telling me to stop hating on Moreno because he's actually playing good this season.
Yeah, I was thinking that Moreno had a good. Well, I saw the first half of that game and Moreno looked decent.
He looked like a decent player, but it doesn't stop my issue, which is he's not a good left back.
And the deeper problem is, we know that Moreno is not a good player. He's just having a little inconsistent spurt of good runs.
So he's inconsistent in doing a good thing.
Right.
But then, alright, put it this way.
What I'm saying is that, what I'm trying to say is that, you see if him keep playing like this, for like maybe 3 games, Klopp going to think him right to select him ahead of Milner.
Alright, remember I said when he was playing good in pre-season, it's like I saw and I was like, oh no, Klopp's gonna think he's good. It's like, I saw that. And then Robertson had a really good game against Leicester in that first half before they scored the 2 goals.
Yeah.
Right? Really good game in the Burnley match. and then he's benching him again. And what I don't understand is I'm even willing for them to try him in left midfield.
Yeah.
Firmino is off form. Salah was suspended. Try Moreno in left wing then. Because when you hear the pundits themselves say he's doing good, especially going forward.
Yeah.
Only going forward.
Right.
And it's not that he's like the worst left back. Well, he might be the worst left back ever in the world history. I'm kidding. It's just my hate. But you know, he's the worst. But it's not even just that he's doing the worst things defensively, but he makes poor and late decisions. And there are times where I see it and I just feel like, if I think of a different left back, if I think of like, alright, Aspi, when he was playing left back, when Chelsea had 4 defenders, that gap that would be there, Aspi would never leave that gap open. Because even if he goes forward, he gets back. So when I would look and I said, oh, poor defender from Clavan, Matip, Lovren, whatever, that space, if Moreno was there, then Matip or whoever could then make better tackles.
Yeah.
But when they're covering so much space, you can't blame Lovren and Matip for looking like dodo birds sometimes.
True.
Because they're not smart enough to cover that area.
Right.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
In any case, we score goals, we won, and a great save from Mignolet.
2 things I want to point out from that game. Remember when after the Arsenal game, when they beat us 4-0, I said that it's so inconsistent, the comments from Liverpool fans, that you're gonna hear that a corner is third now, and then I said to you that you're not gonna win the next game, and then you're gonna hear the problems come up again. It's kind of the same when you hear the talk about Coutinho. That when you beat us without Coutinho, we're hearing Coutinho who? We don't need Coutinho. And now that he's back, everybody's saying that this is what the team needs because looking back at the Man City loss, this is what the team needs, Coutinho.
In my own defense, I don't agree.
No, I know your stance.
Yeah. I don't agree with a lot of what people say about that. I still stay with the fact that when the team is firing, we play better without Coutinho. When the team is not firing, we need Coutinho's magic.
Yeah.
So it's a dilemma that is hard to you know, it's hard to pick out. You understand?
Yeah.
But in any case, more can be said in the podcast.
Right.
We'll go deeper into that and speak about that. But Mix turns out to be a good penalty saver.
Yeah.
So thank God he did that so he could make up for all his mistakes. The mistake he made with the Okazaki goal and the mistake when he clobber Vardy. So we won, thank God.
Now, to another win, Arsenal 2, West Brom at Emirates. It was a game I didn't expect anything less from, although I thought we'd win 3-0 because I just look like a nice round score when you see a team like West Brom coming. But I have to say credit to West Brom, they look like a decent team this year despite being coached by Tony Pulis. They're not playing how you expect a Tony Pulis team to play in terms of the rugby football and stay back and
well, quick interjection. I feel like Tony Pulis started getting that a little bit last year. So West Brom had a few games where they were drawing with big teams or they were winning games. So there's a point where they were far from a relegation fight.
Yeah.
So that I would consider for them decent from last year. Adding Gareth Barry and some of those solid players. I think pushing out Darren Fletcher. Darren Fletcher wasn't playing good football in my opinion, which is why I think even Stoke is having more problems because now they're depending on Darren Fletcher again. Yeah. And West Brom looks better. So they're a little stronger right now.
Then you have Kieran Gibbs who anytime
that's the other addition.
Anytime Arsenal plays a player that we sold immediately after we
sold
him, come and have the greatest game of his life.
Was Chambers like that with Middlesbrough?
Chambers.
No, is it Callum Chambers?
No, well, we haven't played. Well, he didn't play for us because he didn't play for Borough.
Okay, it's low.
The class, right?
Right. Sorry.
But yeah, to the game though, Arsenal looked good starting out. Then West Brom started to get back in the game, and we were just hoping and hanging on for half time, just get some momentum back into the game. But I think what Wenger is doing now is realizing that there are so many contracts expiring in the summer. It's critical that he keeps his players happy, which is why you saw Sanchez benched for the last 2 games and then come back into this game starting, but Ozil is still out. And while Ozil is out, we saw Ramsey in the Ozil role, which I thought
which was weird.
It is weird, but it makes sense because Ramsey is a player that loves to go forward.
So might as well put him forward in the first place.
Because him do the
you were cussing about that a lot.
Him do the Xhaka any favours going forward and leaving behind there.
So Xhaka and Nene.
Right, and Ramsey
and Sanchez.
Right.
And he tackles better in the midfield than Ozil.
Exactly. And he looked very dangerous. Bellerin and him linking up. Every time you see Bellerin making a move down that right side, that man who plays in the inside role, just behind the striker, works very well with Bellerin, and I think that will get the best out of Bellerin this season. But good game, and we'll talk more about it in the podcast.
No problem. I mean,
So you actually don't have anything negative to say, like about Arsenal right now?
I've never had anything negative to say.
No.
All I've been-
Arsenal
all I've
is
said-
a good
all
team
I've
now.
said- All I've said is that I have no expectations of Arsenal,
Okay.
and Arsenal should be doing better.
Yeah.
But it was a good win.
It was.
I'm not saying with the corner turned and
Yeah.
problem solved. Fuck no.
Okay. Okay. Nice. I like this Rachid a little bit. This is like, I mean, he have a shit for Arsenal. A little bit. Come on. A little bit. And he's really not allowed to do it this season.
Right.
with his tactics.
Right. But
That's in the case.
Good
I mean, it's a good
weekend.
weekend. It's a happy weekend. Nobody
Yeah.
vex. So Pierce, you can title this one "Nobody Vex."
you know what to do.
Subscribe. I was just.
Dog, it's one
I was seeing if it turned upside down. So subscribe. Look out for the podcast. 3 Reds and a Blue. Yard reviews. Everything. Jussbuss. Big up yourself. Lock it out before I say no foolishness.